Hey you guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam and today I'm going to be unboxing the ET40 Enterprise tablet from Zebra Technologies. I did want to let you know though, if you order this product, this is how it will come. You'll have to order the cord and the power supply separately, but I do have those with me today just for the purpose of the video. So without further ado, let me jump in. Okay, so right out of the box we have some instructions. And simple as that, our tablet. Let me unbox the wrapping for the rest of this and I'll keep going. An additional thing to note is that the ET40 that we are looking at today operates on Wi-Fi, whereas its brother, the ET45, is better suited for field mobility as it can connect to wireless networks such as 5G and LTE. Both the ET40 and ET45 are ideal replacements for consumer tablets as they support a modern look, a price point that's affordable, and comes with the enterprise features that workers need to do business the right way. This enterprise tablet is rugged and ready for around-the-clock tasks built to last for years on end, and can survive drops, sub-zero temperatures, and run-ins with water. Users can choose their desired screen size of either 8 or 10 inches, and each device's screen is ruggedized with Gorilla Glass for the ultimate protection and can easily be seen both inside and outdoors. The Zebra ET40 also allows users to accept payments on demand, mobilizing point-of-sale transactions from anywhere on the sales floor. With Zebra's proven legacy of scanning technology, this tablet can capture any barcode in any condition, all within a split second. Its 13-megapixel camera comes with a controllable flash for photogenic documentation of just about anything, including proof of delivery, merchandising audits, and more. Additional industries that can benefit from both of these tablets includes the following use cases and vertical markets: inventory management in retail and hospitality venues, routing and dispatch, proof of delivery and pickup, parcel track and trace within transportation and logistics workplaces, and there are even specific healthcare models designed for hospitals, doctors' offices, and other healthcare facilities. As always, I wanted to extend a huge thanks to the team at Zebra for sending over this tablet so that I could unbox it for you and really showcase all of its features and benefits. Now, if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to pick up the phone and call a BlueStar rep today. Thanks, guys.